Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today TV. A lot of information have been entering the social media, and the latest one is that of Uche Nwosu being the alleged that he is actually the one spearheading insecurity by one young man who had gone viral with the video. But as we speak, a lot of things are going on. There's this joint, rumored joint ticket between Ihedioha and Nwosu joint ticket that is unsettling a lot of camps. And this little saga that is going on has brought Uche Nwosu to full limelight. You're going to see him shortly in a video where people are already singing, rejoicing, getting very settled and happy with him. I just hope that this whole thing at the end of the day will not catapult him to popularity, more popular than before, the way things are going. Before we go into the newspaper to find out exactly what is going on, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you'll see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. Well, since the surprise appearance of the Oist Imo governor, that's Emeka Ihedioha, at the funeral ceremony of Madam Jemima Nwosu, the mother of Uche Nwosu, rumors have continued to make rounds about an alleged political alliance between Rogers Okorocha's family and Emeka Ihedioha, who was removed from office by a Supreme Court judgment. Recall that during the 2019 Imo State governorship election, Emeka Ihedioha, the candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), was declared the winner by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), while Uche Nwosu, a son-in-law to former governor of Imo State, that's Senator Rogers Okorocha, finished in second place. To the greatest surprise of millions of Nigerians, the Supreme Court on January 14, 2020, nullified Emeka Ihedioha's victory and declared Senator Hope Uzodinma of the All Progressive Congress (APC) as the authentic winner of the election. Prior to the judgment, Senator Rogers Okorocha, Senator Ifeanyi Ararume, and Senator Hope Uzodinma teamed up to ensure that the APC secured victory in Imo State. Interestingly, since the emergence of Governor Hope Uzodinma, Rogers and Ararume have become his political foes. It is no longer a secret that at a point, Senator Rogers Okorocha was even arrested in Owerri on the orders of Imo State government. Since then, the duo have continued to battle each other with tooth and nails, causing a crack in the state chapter of the APC. The feud between the former governor and Governor Hope Uzodinma has seen many people consider and continue to rumor that Ihedioha's recent appearance at the burial ceremony of Uche Nwosu's mother is more than just to sympathize with them. According to the rumors making rounds in the state, a joint governorship ticket of Emeka Ihedioha and Uche Nwosu could be on the table. The rumors have become stronger following the recent arrest of Uche Nwosu, although it is still a rumor. However, it could unsettle Governor Hope Uzodinma's camp ahead of the 2023 Imo State governorship election. The reason for this is that the duo would be a formidable force which the incumbent governor may not get to defeat. Recall that the two individuals finished in the first and second positions at the 2019 Imo State governorship and undoubtedly have a support base that is unmatched by the governor. With this, the rumored joint ticket of Ihedioha and Uche Nwosu would undoubtedly cause discomfort in the governor's camp, as even his followers are likely to admit that it could be a mission impossible trying to defeat the alliance. Also, Senator Rogers Okorocha, who is Uche Nwosu's backbone, is arguably the most influential politician in Olu Zone, where the incumbent governor also comes from. On the other hand, Owerri Zone is under the grip of Emeka Ihedioha and Senator Ezenwa Onyenwuchi, while Okigwe Zone will be dominated by Senator Ifeanyi Ararume. With this, the governor's camp could be hit by massive defections, as many of his supporters are likely to admit within themselves that it could be almost impossible to defeat the rumored Ihedioha Nwosu joint 2023 governorship ticket. should it eventually become a reality. A lot of reactions have trailed this. In politics, it's just a game of number permanent. There's no permanent friend. There's no permanent interest. There's no permanent friend. There's no permanent foe. It's just permanent interest. Alliances can be made and unmade. Unfortunately, we are seeing one too many already. We're going to take a cross section of what people are saying. Quite interesting, I must say. This one here is saying Ihedioha will not be wise to associate himself with the Okorochas for any reason. Maybe Ihedioha is not destined to be a governor. Any joint ticket with a mediocre like Uche will spell doom for Ihedioha. This is actually a stupid idea. Somebody said, he is not a fool. He's right. Air your own view. Everybody have their own view, okay? This one here says, Ihedioha may lose in any alliance with Okorochas. I don't think Okorochas, no matter the gods, will convince any Imolite to support him. He ruined Imo State. This one here says, hope Uzodinma hasn't seen nothing yet. He has never won any free and fair election in his entire life, except through kangaroo court rulings. He will get the shock of his life come 2024. That's true. When it comes to the issue of that election, it is not going to be 2023. Don't forget that Emeka Ihedioha had ruled for like 9 months before it was annulled. So definitely that 9 months will count. So while others are having general elections in 2023, Imo State will have to wait a year or so to get to, have their own, which means all the political giants, all the security will be full swing in Imo State. It will look like a dull election where a lot of things went down. We don't know what it's going to look like. Will the incumbent have the power to sustain? Time will tell. But hey, guys, there's still time, Hope Uzodinma is still very fresh, But then it's good to start planning ahead. Already some of the gladiators, political gladiators they are planning ahead. Imo State will be a state to look out for come 2024, I must say. This one here is saying, this is what is called Fight of the Titans. Who will blink first? I don't know. I tell you, this is where we're going to know those who are political juggernauts. We'll not begin to know those who know how to play the chess game, the mind game, the psychology game. We're going to find out. I just hope that Imolite will not pay the ultimate price. Come on, why are we even still recycling old politicians? Don't we have fresh brains, fresh blood that can change the Imo State structure better? Why are we still having the bloodline of Okorocha still thinking of coming in? They've tasted senatorial seats, they tasted the governorship. Are they born to rule? Let's try some other young Imolites too that can change the story positively. That's Imo's story. But let's take one more and we're going to wrap this up. This one here is saying, I'm not from Imo State, but as you Imolites supported us, we Anambrans during the course of Soludo, the solution of Anambra State, I therefore support you guys with the joint ticket of Ihedioha and Nwosu solution. Let's meet in that comment section. What's your take on